Today we're going to show how to use a face shield to protect the microscope user from splatter. What we'll be using is the standard face shield that a lot of us are using clinically, except we're taking the strap, we cut the strap and we made it shorter, and then we restapled it so that it's of a smaller diameter between the foam and the strap. So first of all, this is a Pico style of microscope. Just tilt down the moire adapter. And then tilt it back up once you've got the shield around it. And there you go. Perfect for examining your 3D models and surgical guides. And that's all there is to it.